Most drivers have no clue about the hidden shortcuts that quietly save hundreds at the pump, the parts counter, and the service bay, while adding serious miles and years to their car's life. And the craziest part, the people who fix your car for a living would rather you never learned these. Here are 15 car tricks mechanics will not tell you. Let's dive in. Hack 15: Hand sanitizer dissolves bug splatter on your front bumper and headlights. That little bottle you already keep in the door pocket is pure gold for road trips. Bug guts are mostly protein that bakes onto your paint like cement after highway miles. The high alcohol content in sanitizer cuts right through it. Squirt a little onto a microfiber cloth and work it in firm, overlapping passes. Watch the dried mess dissolve and lift away without aggressive scrubbing. Follow with a quick wipe from a damp cloth and you're done. A 10-15 bug and tar remover from the auto parts store is basically the same alcohol-based formula in fancier packaging. Hand sanitizer costs a few bucks and handles an entire season of bugs. Detail shops quietly charge $30-60 for the exact same result. 60 seconds of your time and you just saved the money and the hassle. Hack 14: A splash of white vinegar in your windshield washer fluid reservoir. Over time, an oily film builds up on your glass, making bugs, sap, and road grime stick like glue. Regular washer fluid is okay at rinsing but terrible at cutting that film. Add 1 cup of plain white vinegar per gallon of washer fluid. The acetic acid breaks down the oily layer so every spray actually clears the glass instead of just smearing everything around. Your windshield stays dramatically cleaner and you see the road better. A gallon of vinegar is about $3 and treats multiple fill-ups. Those fancy washer additives, same basic chemistry for triple the price. Just remember, skip the vinegar in winter. Use proper freeze-protected fluid when temperatures drop. Hack 13: Cornstarch on a fresh grease stain on your seat fabric or floor mat before you apply any water-based cleaner. This order is everything. Most people panic and hit a grease spot with water right away. That only drives the oil deeper into the fibers where it sets forever. Instead, hit the fresh stain with a thick layer of cornstarch. Let it sit 20-30 minutes longer for set-in spots. The starch pulls the grease out through absorption. Vacuum it all away, then gently clean any leftover discoloration with diluted dish soap. Blot, don't scrub, and let it air dry. One $2 box from the grocery store handles dozens of stains. Detail shops charge $80-150 for the same absorption then clean process. Hack 12: Pencil graphite powder on a stiff or sticky door lock. Inside every lock are tiny pins, springs, and tumblers that hate dust and wrong lubricants. WD-40 feels good for a day, then leaves a sticky mess that attracts more grime. The correct dry lubricant is graphite. Grab any pencil, rub the tip on paper until you have a small pile of powder, fold the paper into a funnel and tap it into the keyhole. Work the key in and out to spread it. The lock will turn like new. A pencil costs pennies and gives you years of service. Hardware store graphite lube runs $5.8 and locksmiths charge $80-150 for what is literally 30 seconds of this trick. Hack 11: A cotton swab dipped in 70% isopropyl alcohol for cleaning grimy controls, buttons, and switches in the cabin. Steering wheel buttons, climate knobs, volume controls, they all collect years of skin oils, crumbs, and grime in the tiny gaps. Normal cleaners can't reach in there. Dip a cotton swab in 70% isopropyl alcohol and carefully work around every edge. Use fresh swabs so you're not spreading dirt. Suddenly your interior looks and feels 2 years newer. A bag of swabs and a bottle of alcohol together cost about $6. Detail shops roll this into premium packages and charge $30-50 in labor. Before we hit the bigger ones, if you're learning something here, hit that like button real quick. It genuinely helps me keep making these videos packed with stuff mechanics don't volunteer. Hack 10: Hand cream rubbed gently across faded dashboard switch labels and button icons. Sunlight murders the printed icons on older cars. After a few years, you're guessing which button is what. A tiny dab of plain, unscented hand cream on your fingertip, gently rubbed into the faded area, brings the print back to life in seconds. The oils revive the remaining pigment, wipe off excess, and you're good for months. $4 at any store versus $30.80 per button at the dealer. Simple, cheap, and effective. Hack 9. A tennis ball tied to a string hanging from your garage ceiling. Garage parking is a daily game of inches. Too far forward and you kiss the wall, too short and you're blocking stuff. Tie string to a tennis ball and hang it so the ball lightly touches your windshield when the car is in the perfect spot. Pull in until you feel that soft tap. Perfect parking every single time. No batteries, no sensors, no guessing. $2 and 5 minutes of setup that lasts forever. Hack 8. A toothpick wrapped in a small piece of microfiber cloth for cleaning the slats of air conditioning vents. Dashboard vents trap dust like crazy because air is constantly flowing through them. Regular cloths are too thick, swabs shred. Wrap a thin strip of microfiber tightly around a toothpick. Slide it gently between every louver working side to side. You'll pull out visible dust clumps and immediately notice stronger, cleaner airflow. Pennies per vent cleaning versus 40-60 at a shop for the identical technique. Hack 7. A small piece of bar soap pressed into a small windshield rock chip. A tiny chip looks harmless until moisture gets in, freezes, and turns it into a long crack. Press plain bar soap, dial, ivory, whatever, firmly into the chip until it fills the void. Wipe away excess. The soap blocks moisture and buys you 2-4 weeks to get a proper resin repair. $1 versus letting it become a $301,500 windshield replacement. Smart insurance move. Hack 6. A damp dryer sheet for cleaning a bug-covered front grille and bumper. Dryer sheets are loaded with surfactants that break down protein-based mess, the exact stuff bugs leave behind. Dampen a fresh sheet and wipe firmly. The bugs lift off in chunks. Rinse and dry. Fresh scent is a bonus. One box gives you dozens of cleanings for the price of one bottle of bug remover. Hack 5. Magic eraser on white-walled tires between dressing applications. Brake dust turns white sidewalls and raised lettering brown fast. Regular cleaners only mask it. A damp magic eraser lifts the embedded grime physically. The white pops, lettering becomes sharp again. Finish with your normal tire dressing. 4-pack for $4 versus $12.18 specialty cleaners. Hack 4. A plastic grocery bag covering each side mirror overnight when moisture or condensation is expected. No more morning mirror wipe-downs in humid areas. Slip a grocery bag over each mirror and secure it. Morning, pull them off, dry, clear mirrors instantly. Free reuse for weeks versus buying dedicated covers. Hack 3. Lemon oil applied to the rubber door seals and weather stripping around your doors and trunk. Dry, cracked seals mean wind noise, leaks, and hard door closing. A few drops of lemon oil on a cloth run along every seal. The rubber drinks it in, regains flexibility, and creates a protective barrier. Doors close with that satisfying new car thud again and highway noise drops. Do it twice a year. $5 for a bottle that lasts years versus hundreds in replacement seals. Hack 2. A light coat of cooking oil on door hinges and weather stripping during summer to silence squeaks. Dry metal on metal and rubber on paint is what creates those annoying sounds. WD-40 evaporates fast. Vegetable or cooking oil has the perfect viscosity for longer-lasting relief. Wipe a little on hinges and contact points, work the doors a few times. Squeaks gone for months. $4 bottle does dozens of applications versus expensive silicone sprays or shop service fees. And now the #1 trick that protects one of the most expensive components in your car. Hack 1. Stop letting your gas tank drop below a quarter full. Fill up at half empty instead. Running it to the warning light feels like you're saving money on fill-ups. In reality, you're destroying your fuel pump. The pump lives inside the tank, submerged in gasoline that cools and lubricates it. Below a quarter tank, it starts sucking air, runs hotter, wears the seals, brushes, and bearings faster. Over years, this habit can cut pump life in half. A fuel pump replacement, tank drop required, runs 601-200. Keeping the tank above a quarter keeps the pump fully cooled and submerged, often doubling its lifespan and saving you a fortune over the life of the vehicle. Mechanics see these early failures constantly, but rarely explain the cheap prevention. There you have it, 15 car tricks mechanics will not tell you. Each one costs almost nothing, delivers real results, and puts money back in your pocket instead of the repair shop. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll keep bringing you more tested, real-world secrets that actually work. See you in the next one.